Welcome to the class, dear students. Today in this class lecture, I am going to explain how to find out the cross product. When two vectors A and B are given, then how to find out the cross product of the two vectors. The procedure to find out A cross B is, we will take the directions I, J, K as the first row, and then we'll take the components of ijk of the vector A in the second row and the vector B ijk components in the third row. So here ith component in A is 2, jth component in A is minus 2, k component is minus 1. So that is A. And then what is the B component? I component in B is 1. That is 1. And there is no J component, so it is 0. And the K component is minus 1. So now we are finding out the determinant of this particular product, the quantity. How to find out the quantity for the determinant is, first we take I and then remove this column. Apart from this column, you just take the other two columns. When you take J, apart from J column, take the other two columns. And for K, if you want to take, then take the other two columns. So now let us do that one. That is I times of minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1. So this is your I component. And then always minus J component. First is minus, first is plus, second is minus. Alternatively, it should come. Now when I see the J component, you take the first and third columns, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1. And then plus K component is remove the third column, just take the first and second columns. So that is 2 minus 2, 1, 0. So this is what you need to find out. Now how to find out these values now is, we are first finding out this value, that is minus 2 into minus 1. First minus 2 times of minus 1 minus, we take the difference of these two values. That means it is 0 into minus 1. I hope you are able to understand. This is 0 into minus 1 and this is minus 2 into minus 1. That product we are considering. That is the ith component. Similarly, minus j. How is this? This is the component given by 2 into minus 1. So that is 2 times of minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus, always you will take the other values, that is 1 into minus 1. So that is 1 times of minus 1 over, j component is over. So what is this? 1 into minus 1 is this, and then you have 2 into minus 1 is this one. So let us now take the k component. What is the k component? Is 2 times of 0. 2 times of 0 is 0, and then you have minus 2 times of minus 1. So that is 0 into 2 minus 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 is this value, and 0 into 2 means this value. I hope you could understand well. Now this is the procedure to find out the cross product. Now minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 and minus 0 minus j times of 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus k times of 0 into 2 is 0 minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So now the value gives you 2i. Now just let us be careful, while there are negative signs more are there, little more alert. So that is minus 2, minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus k times of minus of minus 2, that is 2. So that gives you 2i minus j times of minus 1 plus 2k. So that is 2i plus j plus 2k. So this is the cross product of the two vectors a and b. I hope you are able to understand. So this is the cross product of a and b.